Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. Comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, adaptive cruise, heads-up display, auto-locking rear differential, heated and ventilated leather seats, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all-black doors. We're going to have storage and cup holders on the bottom. It's going to come equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. It's going to come up to your driver's side controls. You're going to have your high country badging, and as well as that wood and chrome accent with the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows. You're also going to have these chrome running boards here, as well as your high country badging. Onto the seats, power adjustable lumbar, heated and ventilated, high country leather seats, very comfortable. Moving to the left here, we're going to have our trailer mode, as well as our 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as our lighting control and our heads-up display mode. As well on the left here, we're going to have our cruise control, forward collision alert, and our heated steering wheel. And the right side, voice recognition and our odometer cluster control. You're going to have an all-digital speedometer here. You can access your drive summary, trip 1, trip 2, tire pressure, your adaptive cruise, brake pad life, air filter life, off-roading, and so many others. Behind the steering wheel, you're going to have 2 matte black paddle shifters, as well as you're going to have the heads-up display there. It's going to have the push to start with your trailer brake controller, as well as your dual zone climate control, heated ventilated seats. You're going to have 2 USB ports, 1 quick charge on the side, as well as it's going to have lane keep assist, park assist, as well as your hill descent control. Onto the infotainment system, you're going to have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google Assistant and Maps, as well as you can access your front and rear cameras, as well as your 360-degree and trailer hitch, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa. You're going to have storage here. You're going to have the brand new shifter, as well as your little storage compartment there, wireless charging pad. You're going to have this high country leather with a huge center console with 2 more USB ports and an AC wall charger. Passenger side, you get that same finish with that high country stitch. Across the door and across the dash, you're going to have that wood and chrome accents, Bose speakers up top, as well as you're going to have a little storage there. Camera rear view, and as well as the regular. You can also access your SOS, rear sliding window, and as well as your powered sunroof. So you're going to have these 20-inch machine aluminum wheels here with the chrome black mirror cap and chrome keyless entry door handle. We go to the back. Of course, you're going to have those corner steps with that rectangle tip exhaust, as well as your trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under, high country badging. Unfortunately, not a multi-pro tailgate. Just going to have the automatic one. Of course, tons of bed tie-downs, AC wall chargers, LED lamps, as well as your high country badging right in the back. Very spacious rear. Onto the rear, it's going to have the same style, storage on the bottom, as well as the cup holder. Bose speakers come up here to the power windows with that wood and chrome accent. Move inside, you're going to have these carpets in there, lots of extra leg room, storage behind each seat, as well as rear cup holders, rear heated seats, rear ventilation, and 2 USB ports, of course. Center, cup holder and armrest. Each seat's going to have storage under as well. Very spacious rear. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we had this quick review on this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. Comes equipped with a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as adaptive cruise control, auto-locking rear differential, HD surround vision, 360-degree camera, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.